My name's Mat Voyce. I'm a graphic and motion designer based here in the UK. I have a style that combines illustrative typography and animated kinetic typography. I've been lucky enough to apply my vision in design and illustration and typography for clients and brands across the globe. I decided to use Adobe Aero because augmented reality is a space I'd never explored. The simplicity of the program helped me really bring my characters and my type to life. It was a perfect combination to explore something new, a new realm where my typography could be something more than just a flat digital screen. I wanted to build a world where people could really lose themselves in joy and fun and basically positivity. When I jumped into Adobe Aero, I really wanted to explore the individual features the program has to offer and how I could apply those features to my typography and my characters. So a lot of this was looking at the behavior techniques you can use, so really planning the different timings and using these behaviors to plot out exactly when certain things come into screen or come into play. Now the best thing about this was using the PNG sequences. So using the sequences instead of GIF stickers or sort of GIF animations, I was really able to plan exact timings. I also use the trigger functions in Adobe Aero. Now, these triggers are perfect for setting proximity and setting up those unexpected moments. You really do have everything you need within the program to create something cool, to create something immersive, and more importantly, create a journey that users can really experience. With exploring this 3D space, I really found that there was more opportunity to really build into how I create my typography. It really helped me introduce, users into my world, to let people see how I see typography, to let them experience what I would like to experience when walking through something joyful and bright and colourful. And having typography in your face and standing as tall as you by the side of you is something quite special. I'm really looking forward to sharing my vision through Adobe Aero, seeing people step into my world and explore my vision and love for typography. It's as simple as scanning the QR code and then sharing your journey on social media.